Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are always healthy. In this video I will discuss 7 signs that a woman is starting to like you. For this reason, don't forget to watch this video until the end so you don't miss the information I have provided. Let's start. In everyday life, it is sometimes difficult to interpret someone's feelings for us, especially when it involves romance. For men, understanding the signs of interest in a woman can be a challenge. However, there is no need to worry. In this video, we will discuss 7 simple signs that can help you recognize the signs that a woman really likes you. From eye contact to physical presence, let's explore some of the signs that can be important clues in the world of romantic gestures. Here are 7 signs that a woman likes you. 1. The gaze is different. If he often looks at you with a gentle smile, it could be a sign that he likes you. 2. Often laugh at your humor. If he laughs often and enjoys your jokes, he is most likely interested in you. 3. Frequently contact or greet you. If he actively contacts you or says hello frequently, this could indicate special interest. 4. Accompany you in activities. If he likes to accompany you to activities or invites you to join in, it could be his way of showing interest. 5. Voice your concerns. If he often finds out about your life and pays special attention to you, this may be a sign of feeling more than just friends. 6. Touching gently. If he often gently touches your arm or shoulder, this can be a signal of comfort and interest. 7. Invite to meet in person. If he invites you to private meetings or activities for one-on-one, chances are he wants to spend more time with you. Deciphering the sign language of attraction can open the door to a closer, more meaningful relationship. Remember, each individual is unique, and these signs are just a general guide. However, being aware of changes in behavior and expression can help you sense whether there is deeper potential in the relationship. Apart from that, the most important thing is to communicate honestly and respect each other's feelings. We hope this video helps you spread your wings of love and explore the beauty of human relationships. Good luck finding and celebrating your own love story. Thank you for watching this video. We hope our content provides useful information and inspiration for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay connected with our latest updates. If you have questions, ideas, or experiences you'd like to share, please leave a comment below. Stay connected to this channel to get more interesting content. See you in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.